Like, look at that, y'all. Boom. Boom. Okay. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. I want to show you guys how I get my very glowy skin. Okay, you guys, I have a whole technique and routine that I've been doing lately and I'm so obsessed with it. And I'm actually about to go ahead and go to my bridal shower in a little bit, but I was like, you know what, let me show you guys what I've been using lately, because my skin, like, I'm gonna say lately my makeup has been on point every single day, because when I do this, you know, dewy makeup look, it looks beautiful throughout the day. And even though I do have oily skin, I don't look greasy, I don't look oily. It gives me a very beautiful glow, but I still get to stay matte, you know, towards the center of my face. So yes, with that being said, if you're interested, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm actually getting ready for my friend's bridal shower, and I felt like showing you guys how I make my face look glowy, but at the same time, you guys know I'm super oily, so I do have a little technique that I use nowadays. And sorry for my voice as well, you guys. I think I'm getting sick, but regardless, I want to show you guys my technique for my face to look super glowy, but don't like look dewy and greasy throughout the day, if that makes sense. Alright. Now, y'all can see what my face looks like. I mean, it looks pretty matte. It looks like I have a lot of powders going on because it doesn't have any glow or shine going on right now. So I will show you guys the 3 products that I use to bring some life into my face. And it's these 3 products right here. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm super excited. So the first thing that I do typically is I already have bronzer on my face, but I do want to make this section a little bit more glowy because right now it just looks super matte, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I do want to add some life into my face. So I'm going to use my Tower 28 Bronzino bronzer in the shade Best Coast. And I was also in my haul as well, but this is what it looks like. And at first I was like, what is the point of this? Because to me, I feel like powder bronzers are the best way to go, but this does make a difference. So I'll show you guys what I do with this product. So I do grab my sponge and I kind of just swirl my sponge into the product and get some of it on there. And it does have a color to it, obviously, because it is a bronzer. So what I'm gonna do is kind of tap into the area that I already applied my bronzer and just lightly tap all over. And y'all see, by doing that right away, it added some life to the face, because at first it looked super matte, as y'all can see. But once I added this on top, it just added some shine as well. So I'm gonna drag this a little bit higher and just keep applying the product, but you don't need too much, you guys, because a little bit does go a long way. And with the excess product, what I do is I do take some onto my forehead just to bring some life into that area. And just by doing this, you guys, I don't look as flat anymore, okay? In the beginning, I was a little bit too matte, but with this, it does add some life into the face. Absolutely stunning. I love this product. So boom, we do have our bronzer on. Now I'm gonna move on to cream blush. All the products that I'm using today are creams because it looks super natural on the face. And I swear, back in the day when you thought of cream products, you thought greasy, oily, just a greasy mess on the face. But these products, you guys, are really good. They make you look glowy, but they don't give you like that greasy look throughout the day, which I really appreciate because I do have oily skin. So I do have the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in the shade Summertime Wine, which I feel like will look really good with today's makeup. So I'm going to take this as well onto my sponge, and y'all can see I'm using my sponge for everything because it really does make a difference. It makes everything look like skin and super natural. So I do have a little bit of product on here, and what I'm going to do is lightly tap this into the cheek area. I know some people bring it out here, but I do have a round face, so a lot of my products are, you know, towards the back area, and I don't really bring anything right here. That way, like, I have a snatched, you know, face, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna take this blush and just lightly tap on top. Okay, it's a little bit too much, but I'm just slightly tapping this on top of it. And you can kind of bring a little bit right here, but I don't do too much. And then moving on to the other side, I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Just lightly tap on top. I'm gonna grab some more product and just lightly tap on top as well. So let me come up close and show you guys what my skin is looking like. I think it looks stunning. Looks really pretty, and honestly you don't need highlighter at this point because I feel like you are getting some glow already with these products, but you know me, I like to glow a little bit more. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use the Danessa Myricks Beauty Dew Wet Hot Water highlighter. This is so beautiful, you guys. I wear it every single day because it gives you that wet look on the skin. And I do apologize, you guys, if I'm talking really low, like my voice hurts so bad to talk, so I think I'm getting sick, but it's all good. So what I'm gonna do is grab my sponge. Again, I told you guys I use it for everything. So I'm gonna turn my face like this, and we're gonna take this product and kind of pinch the sponge and just tap it on here. So I hope y'all see that. Okay, just focusing the highlighter in this region. And I'm not really taking it further down, but I'm just keeping it right here. Okay, and just by doing that, like, look at that, y'all. Boom, boom. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then I take some of that onto the bridge of my nose to add some shine there. And then also I take a little bit of this onto the forehead and just kind of go back and forth like that, add some glow, and it's just looking really pretty, you guys. And sometimes I do go overboard because it's probably like my favorite part of my makeup routine nowadays, highlighter, because I finally found something that works for my skin. But y'all can see how stunning this looks. All right, you guys, so that was the entire process. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I've been doing this lately, you guys, and I get so many compliments because literally my skin in person, y'all, looks flawless. It looks glowy, and it stays matte towards the center of my face. Go ahead and powder your center of your face if you are oily, but everywhere else is glowy, and it just gives the perfect balance, you know, when it comes to your makeup look. So if you do try it out, let me know down below. But I love you guys so much. Make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.